Hi, this is a video tutorial on updating the firmware on Kmbox Net. If your Kmbox version is not latest, it's recommended to update it. To check the version of your Kmbox, connect it to your PC and look at this line. Next, go to our website and check the current version. As you can see, my version is not latest, so it needs to be updated. Connect the USB cable to your main PC. Next, you need to press and hold this small black button inside the Kmbox. And at the same time, connect the USB cable to this connector. The Kmbox screen should turn white and this blue diode should start flashing rapidly. If this doesn't happen, then try to hold the button again and reconnect the USB cable. After that, on your main PC, go to this folder and install the driver. Launch the upgrade tool, click Search Device, an encryption should appear that USB device has been found. Click Select File, go to the folder Kmbox Net firmware, change the type of files displayed to bin, select the firmware, and click Program. Wait a few seconds. After the end of the process, you will see a message. As you can see, the Kmbox version has been updated. Now we need to spoof our Kmbox Net. This must be done every time after updating the firmware. Disconnect the cable from Kmbox. Connect your mouse to your main PC as usual, without Kmbox. On your main PC, go to this folder and run this X. Make the program full screen. Unplug your mouse from main PC and plug it back in. You will see a vendor ID and product ID of your mouse. We will need this data later. Write it down somewhere in one line without a space. In my case, it will look like this. Connect Kmbox to your main and second PC. On the second PC, go to this folder. And run Kmbox Net X. Enter IP, port and UUID from your Kmbox Net. Check ping box and click on the big button. A window should appear in which OK will be written at the end. If it doesn't connect to the Kmbox, try to restart it by unplugging it from your main PC and plug it back in. And run X as admin. Enter your vendor ID and product ID which we saved earlier in one line without a space. And click VID PID button. You should see such a window, which means that the process was successful. Go back to your main PC and open this X again. Unplug the Kmbox from your main PC and plug it back in. You should see the same vendor ID and product ID that you saw before. If it is, then the spoofing was successful. If your Kmbox cannot connect to the cheat after updating the firmware and spoofing, then try to repeat the spoofing but use a different mouse. If this is your first time using Kmbox Net, then go to the manual for setting up the Kmbox. You will get access to the DMA Cheats folder with all the files that you saw in this video, as well as all the other files for configuring the DMA card, firmware, fuser, XIM matrix and DMA Cheats when you purchase any product on our website. Or you can buy access separately for $5. See you in the next videos.